Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today in class we have to learn about multiplication of a whole number by a fraction and multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Multiplication of whole number by a fraction. Consider that multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. So, for example, 4 into 5 by 6. 4 into 5 by 6. Consider that 4 into 5 by 6. So, here 4 is the whole number and 5 by 6 is the fraction. So, how to do this given sum? So, take 4 into 5 by 6 means 4 times 5 by 6. 4 times 5 by 6. That means take 5 by 6, add 5 by 6 4 times. 5 by 6, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6. How many times children? 4 times. That means 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6. So, here denominators are equal. All are fractions. Why? Because all denominators are equal. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 by 6. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 by 6 equal to 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, how much children? 20 by 6. How much children? 20 by 6. So, this is the answer. So, this is the process. One more process also there. Take a problem 4 into 5 by 6. This is method 1. This is method 1. This is the method 2. Method 2. Consider 4 into 5 by 6 equal to 4 is the whole number and 5 by 6 is the fraction. So, in 5 by 6, 5 is the integral part and 6 is the fractional part. Integral part, fractional part. So, whole number into integral part means 4 into 5. 4 5 is the how many children? 20 by what is the fraction part means denominator 6. So, this is the answer. So, 4 into 5 by 6 answer 20 by 6. This is the second method. This is the first way. First way, second way. These two process. Next. The next problem is the next method, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. See children, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. One more example. 3 by 5 into 4 by 6. See children, 3 by 5 into 4 by 6. Numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. So, in this process, one formula is there. Product of two fractions. Product of two fractions equal to numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. See children, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So, numerator into numerator means 3 into 4 by denominator means what? 5 into 6. 5 into 6. 3 4 are 12 by 5 6 are 30. 3 4 are 5 6 are 30. So, what is the answer children? 12 by 30. So, 3 by 5 into 4 by 6. These are two fractions. What is the process children? product of two fractions equal to numerator into numerator. That means 3 into 4 here, 3 into 4. Denominator into denominator. That means 5 into 6 here, 5 into 6. 3 4 are 12, 5 6 are 10. This is the process. Now we are going to take exercise 2. Exercise 2. Multiply the following. Write the answer as a mixed fraction. See children, what is the given information? Multiply the following. Write the answers as a mixed fraction. The first problem, 3 by 6 into 10. The second one is 1 by 3 into 4. The third one, 6 by 7 into 2. Fourth one, 2 by 9 into 5. 2 by 9 into 5. See children? Multiply the following and result as a mixed fraction. So take this one, 3 by 6 into 10. 3 by 6 into 10. Already I said to you before, 3 by 6, 3 is the integral part, 6 is the fraction. So 3 into 10, this is the simple way. It's a simple way. 3 into 10 by 6 equal to 3 10s are how much children? 30. How much? 30 by 6. 30 by 6. This is in 30 how many times divisible? Read 6 table. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30. So this is in 30 how many times divisible? 5 times. So what is the answer children? 5. 3 by 6 into 10 equal to what children? 5. Now take second problem. What is that? 1 by 3 into 4. 1 by 3 into 4. So 1 into 4 by 3. 1 4 jar 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Now take third one. What is this? 6 by 7 into 2. So 6 into 2. Why? Because this is the fraction, this is the whole number. This is the process the multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. 6 into 2 by 7. 6 2 jar 12 by 7. 12 by 7. Next fourth one. 2 by 9 into 5 equal to 2 into 5 by 9. 2 5 jar 10 by 9. By 9. This is the answer. Clear children? Next. Second way. Clear children? Yes, second way. Find in the first way 1 by 3 of 12. 1 by 3 of 12. Second problem 2 by 5 of 50. See children? 1 by 3 of 12. Second one 2 by 5 of 12. Take this one. Find in simplification. What children? Simplification. So 1 by 3 of 12. This half mean into. That means 1 by 3 into 12. This meaning what children? 1 by 3 into 12. Half mean what? 12. Now same process. This part into 12. Mean integral part into 12. 1 into 12 by 3. 1 into 12 how much children? 12 by 3. This 3 in 12. 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 3 4 jar 12. How many times children? 4 times. So 1 by 3 of 12, what is the answer? 4. Now take second problem. What is that? 2 by 5 of 15. 2 by 5 of 15. Take 2 by 5 of mean what children? Into 15. Integral part whole number. That means 2 into 15 by 5. 2 15 how much children? 30 by 5. This part in 30 how many times divisible? 6 times. 5 6 are 30. So what is the answer children? 6. 2 by 5 of 15 answer 6. Here children. Next. Clear? Right, next. Children, next exercise 3. Exercise 3. In this exercise, they given 7 problems. So first bit, find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. First bit, 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. Second bit, 6 into 1 by 5. The third one, 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5. So children, 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. Take this one. This answer. What is the process children? Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Product of numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. That is the process. Equal to 5 into 7 by 6 into 11. 6 into 11. So 5 7 jar. How much children? 35. 5 7 jar 35. 6 11 66. 5 7 jar 35. 6 11 so 30. Sorry 66. Now take second problem. Answer 6 into 1 by 5. 6 into 1 by 5. This is the multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. Equal to 6 into 1 by 5. 6 into 1 by 5. 6 1 ja 6 by 5. Next third bit answer. What is that? 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. See children? 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. These are two fractions are which fraction children? Mixed fraction. So this two mixed fractions are converted to improper fraction. So here into here plus, here into here plus equal to 2 3 are 6 plus 1. How much children? 7. So 7 by 3. 2 1 by 3 is what children? 7 by 3 plus 3 5 are 15 plus 1. 3 5 are not plus sorry into 3 5 are 15. 15 plus 1 children? 16 by 5. Children, 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16 by 5. Now fraction into fraction. 7 into 16 by 3 5 are 15. 7 16 how much children here? 7 16. 6 7 are 42. 4 carry. 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11. So answer 1 1 2 by 50. This is the answer. Next second bit children. Next second one, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Here. This is the second bit first problem. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 5. See children, 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 5. So 2 by 5 into Take 5 1 by 5. Oh, this is the mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. We are into here plus 5 5 are how much children? 25. 5 5 are 25 plus 1 how much children? 26. So 26 by 5. 26 by 5. Now same process. Numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator. That means 2 into 26 by 5 into 5. 26 2s are how much children? 52. 26 2s are how much? 52. 5 5 are 25. 5 5 are how much children? 25. So 26 2s are 52. 5 5 are 25. This is the answer for 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 5. Why here into here plus we know this mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. That's why. So next. Second problem, 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. What children? 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. So same process. Numerator into numerator. 2 into 1 by 7 into 3. 7 into 3. 2 1 are 2. 7 3 are 20. 2 1 are 2. 7 3 are 20. This is the answer. Next question. Clear children? This is the exercise 3. Third sum, in second bit of third sum, 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. Children, once thinking this one, how to solve this given problem, once take 10 30 seconds. Yes, children, numerator into numerator, that means 9 into 5, denominator into denominator, so that means 3 into 5. This is the 3 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 3 5s are 15. This 15 in 45 3 times. So what is the answer children? 3. Next problem. See children, third one. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? This is the third bit. Okay children, this one. Can I write? Yes, thank you. Which one is greater? This is very important. Which one is greater? Be concentrate children on this problem solution. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The second problem. After that, first see here. Which one is greater? Here given 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. First solve these two fractions. After that we solve these two fractions. After completion of that, you compare which is greater and which is small. First take this one. 2 by 5 of mean what children? Into. Do multiplication. Into 4 by 7. Or what children next? 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Now, numerator into numerator, that means 2 into 4 by denominator into denominator, that means 5 into 7. Or 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. Clear? 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. Next 3 1s are 3 by 4 2s are 8. Children, Once again, 2 by 5 or 4 by 7 given. This is the 2 by 5 half mean what children? Into take 4 by 7. Now take 3 by 4 half mean what children? Into 1 by 2. Now numerator into numerator. Why you take numerator into numerator mean? The process of multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. That process only. That's why 2 into 4 by 5 into 7 or 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. 2 4 jar 8 by 7 jar 35 or 3 1 jar 3 4 2 jar 8. Now compare 8 by 35 or 3 by 8. So observe here children, denominator here 35, here what children 8. So you convert into like fractions. Before you have to find the LCM of these two denominators. So LCM of 35 and 8. 35 and 8. So take 35 here. 35 8. Which table children? Even odd. So take 2 35 4. 2 table 35 2. 2 table 35 2 1. Take 5 table 7 times 1. Take 7 table 1 1. So take this product 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 5 jar 40. How much children? 40. 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 5 jar 40, 47 jar how much children? 47 jar. 0 7 is 0, 4 7 jar 28. So total how much children? 280. What is that same children? 280. So take it. So 8 by 35. Now take 8 by 35. This 35 in 280, how many times useful children? So take 35. Here close. Here 35 close. What is the remaining number children there? 8. So that take 8 into here. 8 into 8. Or what is the remaining fraction children? 3 by 8. 3 by 8. So close this 8. What is the remaining number children? 35. That 35 take into 35 into 35. Now 8 8 how much children? 64 by 35 8 what is that children? 280 or 335. 35 1 35, 35 2 70, 35 3 105. How much children? 105 by 8 into 35 what children? 280. Now denominator what children? Here 280, here also 280. So denominators are same. Now take numerators 65, 105. Here asking which one is greater. So what is the greater children? This is the greater. So 105 by 280 is greater than the 64 by 280. So 105 by 280 means what children? This is that. So 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Here 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 greater than 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. Clear children? This is 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 greater than the 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. This is the answer. Clear children? Clear? Next. Second problem. See children, 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. First take this one. 1 by 2 of me what children into 4 by 7 or now take this one. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 3 by 7. 1 into 4. 4 by 2 7 jar 14. So this answer 1 4 jar 4, 2 7 jar 14. Or 2 3 jar 6 by 3 7 jar 21. 7 jar 21. Now 14 21. Unlike fractions. So find the LCM of 14 and 21 equal to here 14 21. Take which table? 2 7 jar 14, 3 7 jar 21. Take 7 table. In 14 2 times, in 21 3 times. Now take 2 1 3. Take 3 1. So 7 into 2 into 3. 7 2 jar 14. 14 3 jar how much children? 42. 41 jar 14. 42 jar 28. 14 3 jar 42. So what is LCM children? 42. Once again 7 2 jar 14. 14 3 jar 3 4 jar 12. 1 carry 1 3 3 4. Yes. What is that children? 42. Now take 4 by 14. This 14 in 42, how many times children? 3 times. 7 2 jar 14. So that's why here 3, here 3. So here given R. Now take 6 by 21. This 21 in 42, 2 times divisible. 2 times divisible. Now 4 3 jar 12 by 14 3 jar 42 or 6 2 jar 12 by 2 21 2 jar 42. So 12 by 42 or 12 by 42. So 42 42 equal. Numerator is also equal. So these two are equal. Now we have to say that 12 by 42 equal to 12 by 42. 12 by 42 equal to 12 by 42. That means these two are equal. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 equal to 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Clear children? Once take this time. Once here observe 1 minute. Clear children? Next. Next problem children. This is the word problem. Once here. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. 8 kilometers traveling the truck. How much petrol using children? 1 liter. So how much distance will it cover using 10 2 by liters of petrol? 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. So number of kilometers travel in 1 liter petrol. 1 liter petrol. How many kilometers is that? 88 kilometers. So number of kilometers travel in 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol equal to question mark. See children, here given a truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? So number of kilometers traveling 1 liter petrol equal to 8 kilometers. Number of kilometers traveling 10 2 by 3 liters petrol equal to question mark. So see children, here what I have to do? Which operation we have to apply here? We have 4 operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Consider here number of kilometers traveled 1 liter. 1 liter 8 kilometers. So 10 2 by 3 liters given. How many may take 10 2 by 3 liters petrol into 8 kilometers? Mean we have to do multiplication. So equal to 10 2 by 3 into how many kilometers each liter petrol children? 8 kilometers. Now this is the mixed fraction, here into, here plus. So 10 3s are, this is the mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. So 10 3s are 30 plus 2 how much children? 32 by 3 into 8. 10 3s are 30 plus 2 32 by 3 into 8. Now this is the integral part, whole number. 32 into 8 by 3. 32 into 8 by 3 equal to 32 8 are how much children? Do multiplication here. 32 into 8. 2 8 are 16. 1 3 8 are 24 plus 1 25. Once again children, 2 8 are 16. 1 carry 3 8 are 24 plus 1 25. So 256 by 3. 256 by 3. So this is the division to division. 256 here 3. In 25 3 how many times divisible children? 8 times. 8 3 are 24. 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 6. Bring down 6. 3 in 16 how many times divisible children? Take variable. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. So 16 minus 15 how much children? 1. So 85 1 by 3 kilometers traveling by using which, how many liters petrol children? 10 2 by 3. So how much is the number of kilometers traveling of 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? How many kilometers children? 85 1 by 3 kilometers travel. Understood children? Once observe here, once see here.